greatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, just finished now, we're doing a chicken curry in an Indian style with coconut milk, and it has no onions. I've had quite a lot of messages and emails about making a curry with no onions, so here we go. Really simple, it's not going to take long. Delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's get started on this, nice and easy. So I've got chicken there, I've got different parts in there, some wings, breast, and drumsticks, whatever. Skin is on and bone is in. We're basically going to season this up right now. So let's start with some salt to taste. I've got some oil here, I've got a corn oil, which I'm just going to put on. That will kind of bring all the powders and that together, it'll stick nicely. Optional, fresh chilli. I'm using a nice red one there. Here I've got some garlic ginger paste. It's like 2 hefty of these teaspoons. Garlic ginger paste is a blended 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. You could be using it chopped fresh if you wanted. Right, let's get some powders in there. So now if you wanted, you could be using a curry powder you already have, but I'm going to go for turmeric 1, chili powder 1, coriander powder 1, and finally cumin powder. If you're a regular to the show, you know I always call these the big 4. But like I say, if you've got a curry powder that you like, just go ahead and do that. But I'm going to give that a little mix, back in a moment. Okay, there you go. So just a nice little mix there. Blend it together there, get the spices together. Now if you wanted, you could pop that in the fridge overnight and kind of let it do its thing, but I'm going to go straight in. So let's go over to the cooker. Okay, so I've got a wok or a pan, you're going to need something like that. I've got a touch of oil in there, corn or sunflower oil, and just heating that up. What we're going to do is just going to put in some few cumin seeds. All I want to do is get that heat of that oil through the seeds. They'll just infuse that oil a little bit and give it a lovely flavour. And of course there are many other types of garam masala or whole seeds that you could be putting in now. Fennel seeds, black mustard seeds, green cardamom, black cardamom, all taking it in a different direction. Today I'm just going with these guys. Just turn that down a little bit now. Okay, so they're just doing their thing. What we're going to do now is start to place in our chicken. And we're going to fry the chicken, but not like really hard. So on a kind of medium heat. We're going to cook it for about 6 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes, stirring it around. But like I say, we're not kind of hard frying, nice and gentle. Just grabbing a bit more of this marination here. So in that goes. Stir it every now and then, back in about 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, so about 5 or 6 minutes in, and the chicken's coming along really nicely. It's not cooked all the way yet, of course. Simply, we're now going to add some coconut milk. Now I've got my coconut milk from a can or a tin, and these 2 glasses make up 1 can. I'm also going to add a little touch of cold water to that. And the turmeric and the spices will instantly change the colour, as you can see, of the coconut milk. And again, keeping it on this kind of medium heat. If you want, you can cover it. I'm not going to, but the lid might be nice if you wanted. I'm going to let that go for about 9-10 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, there we go. I'm going to turn the heat off on that. Beautifully smooth masala or gravy or sauce, of course, because we haven't used any onions in this. And it's done. Now my chicken's cut quite small, so you might want to cook it a bit longer if you've got bigger parts. I'm going to finish this off with some fresh coriander, or cilantro, as many of you call it. Check this for salt. You might want to add a bit more salt. It's going to be good for me. And that's it. Very simple. Let me get that on the plate. And there you go. All done. Very, very simple. Hope you enjoy that. I'm going to eat that with some just plain rice, but it could be good with some bread, like, you know, roti or paratha or naan. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.